In recent times, the only way to buy dollar at bank rates in Nigeria is using gift card, using this method to buy dollar and make profit with this. So I'm going to be showing you guys review of this app, how you can make money with this, and make sure you stick to the end of the video to know the whole process, and subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. Once you and search this link and you are on this dashboard over here, you need to press this icon over here and you will change this region to Nigeria. Then you press save. After pressing save, you see there is various gift card over here. It says best sellers in Nigeria. Though these are the best gift card that are selling in Nigeria right now, but there is this popular gift card in Nigeria that people normally buy. If you know this, an online merchant that are willing to buy your gift card, Amazon gift card. So Amazon gift card is more popular in Nigeria. I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to put Nigeria, input Nigeria. No, we are buying US gift card. Make sure you know the country, you understand the country you are buying the gift card, because if you buy Nigeria gift card, only someone in Nigeria will be able to redeem the gift card. But if you buy US, as I input right now, someone in US will be able to redeem this gift card. So try to understand this process. Anytime you don't understand this video, make sure you rewatch the video. You'll be able to understand this step by step. And if you see over here, this actual Amazon gift card has like 4.9 review over 5%, over 5. So that's a lot of reviews, like 99% of review. So this is the gift card right now. You can buy $5 and you can buy $20 and you can buy $25.50. For the sake of this video, buying $100 worth of this gift card right now is shows as you are buying the gift card at buying $100 worth of Amazon gift card that can be redeemable in United States, and you'll be getting this at 46,043 naira. So that's how much you'll be getting it in the rate of $100. So this is very easy to calculate if you want to know the actual rate you are buying this. It says instant delivery, gift card designed and secure payment. Complete the checkout process and safely and quickly with a choice of more than 70 payment mode. So you can use Apple Pay, you can use various Visa cards to do this, and if you press this right now, you will be paying 47,887 naira 15 cents. So you'll be paying service cost of 1,843 naira, and you'll be paying 46,004 naira and 93 cents on this gift card, and the total of amount you'll be paying this over here. You press checkout. You just have to input your email and you sign up for news and stuff like that. After doing this, or you can select this is a business purchase and you need to check out. After doing this whole process, you'll be able to sell the gift card you buy on this platform on Paxful app. So I'm going to leave a link in the video description of a video how to sell your gift card on Paxful account in the video description. So you'll be able to know this step. After selling your gift card on Paxful account, you'll be able to transfer this on Binance, sell the Bitcoin you buy on Paxful with your gift card on Paxful to Naira to realize the profit. If you watch the video in the video description, you'll be able to know how to make profit with this website, and make sure you do your own research before you take any step in this video. I make a Telegram group for the purpose of making money together with the community. If you have if you have strong community, we'll be able to make money together. So that's the goal. And after we reach certain amount of people that join the Telegram, we'll be making some announcement out what next to do. So if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. Make sure you do your own research before you take any step. This video is just a review on this website I come across on how to buy gift card with. This is not a financial advice. Don't take this as investment and financial advice. This is just an educational video. So make sure you do your own research before you take any step. See you guys on the next video.